Hello YouTube, this is my Xbox 360. It's all customized. It is chrome, as you can see. Here. It's all customized. It's my graphic I made with Photoshop. It has a 12-volt fan. And yeah. Plexiglass. See the reflection. Yeah, I'm still working on it. I need like 10 more bucks for LED lights and shit, so yeah. Well, there will be more videos. Chrome, everything's chrome, right? So this is my Xbox, yeah. That's it.